It's Tuesday, July 2nd, just following up on Tesla here. You can see it's moving higher. This is the 1 minute chart. I bought it here aggressively, as I described in the first video, at the lower blue line. I scaled out here when it hit the, the pre-market highs is in the 223 area. I just sold some more up here at the 225 area. So you can see, again, I bought the stock at 220.14. I scaled out at 223. I just sold some more at 225.42. So it's a total no risk trade right now. On the 15-minute chart, we get to see what kind of directional, move might unfold today. Hopefully it'll just continue up, have one pause, a second push up. Stop is kind of the midway point of this first bar, which is kind of now where my entry point was. But I took more or less a basic gain on this, 5 points to the upside after a gap up. There's a little exhaustion risk always. A lot of times when I see a gap up, I prefer, kind of more of a red to green kind of move to take out that intraday high and then go a little higher. When you get that momentum out of the gates like this, I know at any moment, it could have a little bit of a pause. Doesn't mean the structure of the day is down in any way, shape, or form. Could be good secondary buys in here. But for now, just good follow through or very early on. So, I scaled out, set up an no-risk trade. Then when I saw it continue up to 225, decided to take some more gains right up at that area. And, we'll see now kind of what develops here. Are we going to pause and sell off a little bit? Is it going to just consolidate and continue higher with momentum? We'll watch the 15-minute chart. Ideally, we'll hold the midpoint of this first bar, get a push up, pause, second push up, and that'll be the directional move to the day. In the big picture, again, on the weekly chart, as we work up to the top of this broadening formation, I could see filling in some gaps up here in the mid 220s up to 230. So there's a lot of room to run higher, and quite frankly, we could be really, working our way up there. So this is a weekly chart with a lot of time to go in this week. There could be some pauses along the way, taking out liquidity to the downside in the very short run. But I like the big picture, upward move on this stock. So I'll continue to track it, look for buy opportunities. So anyway, good basic gain to start the morning here. We'll see what kind of develops here. And, good pre-market news, put it on watch to look for an aggressive entry.